Fucking BoJack. Because the first.
Hey guys,
As long as you don't go beyond the first season, there's no sad.
You're talking over me right now.
Suck my wiggly nuts.
Fuck you.
Fucking yourself, coward.
Hey guys, it's Casey Burger, and today I decided instead of doing an MS Paint drawing video, since it's the weekend, I thought I'd do something a little special. Now, I'm gonna do a drawing tutorial.
I'm getting blasted in the background.
Shut the fuck up, I'm trying to do a video right now. I hate you.
I hate me too.
Anyway, I'm gonna do a drawing tutorial now. And seeing as like a hell of a boss, like, and Hazbin Hotel is doing really good now, I'm gonna do a how to draw angel dust. Just don't yawn at me.
Look, man, I'm not saying. I'm just saying, hell of a boss, greater than Hazbin Hotel. Change my mind.
I'm not, but like we haven't seen anything yet.
We've literally had 4 episodes of Hell of a Boss.
I mean like not of Hazbin. We've only had fucking. I'm trying to do a video.
We've only had the pilot.
We've only had the pilot. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So, Hazbin Hotel fans, I thought because today.
Because you all are woefully neglected.
I'm gonna do a.
I'm just trying to play my code at my game.
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to make a video.
No.
I thought today we'd do a how to draw. And of course, I thought we'd do how to draw everyone's favorite spider stripper, Angel Dust. Now, it may seem hard at first because, like, Vivian, Vivzy Pop, Vivian, Madrano, Mariana likes to draw very complex character shapes, and everyone complains like, oh, the characters are too complex, and it's like, they're animated, well, so who gives a shit? Like, characters in anime are like...
Joker has fucking cheese wheels for arms.
Yeah, but like...
Man is made out of boxes and triangles.
Yeah, but like, no one complains about how, like, he barely ever moves, but like, when fucking four-armed Angel Dust Man, like, swings around and stuff, I was like, oh, it's too complex. Anyway. We're gonna learn how to draw angel dust today.
It's trying to draw angel dust. Just draw a bunch of like white sprinkles on a fucking board, and then bam, you have cocaine. I mean angel dust.
I know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so you want to start out with just like the body as like a reference. So let's start out with the body.
Yeah, is that a text box?
Shut up. Let's start out with just the body. Oh, fuck, I fucked up.
I noticed.
Delete. Delete. Okay. Let's start out with just... Okay, oh, fuck. Oh, God, photo. Now, you can do... Now, what I'm using right now is a pixel-based drawing program, but you can do this on a vector-based drawing program too, if that's what you prefer. It's all about, like, what you prefer. So anyway...
Wait a minute, isn't Angel Dust made out of a lot of curves and stuff?
Yeah, but...
Then why wouldn't you just do a vector one? Because for pixels, don't you get jagged curves? Isn't it like half the point of doing vector imaging? Just so that way your curves don't look like hot garbage.
Anyway, here's like the base body for him that we're gonna do. Because that's what Angel Dust... There we go. Now that we got a base, let's just add to it a bit. Let's just add and make sure, like, we get it just how we want to. Come on, please work with me here. Boom, there. We got a base.
Oh, it's no screen time, Sean.
Now, we want to, like, now, the way I like to draw is, like, I get reference photos. So, like, also, there are blasting music. God, I'm gonna get, like, copyright strike from this. So now, I get a reference photo. His head's kind of spiky and curvy. So I'm just gonna move that over into here.
You really tried.
Shut the fuck up.
No.
What the? Go away. Shut up. Okay, and like Angel Dust has spiky hair, so we'll do it like that. And like he
Are you even actually recording audio?
I am recording audio. It has the mic symbol right there.
Oh, unfortunate to be sure.
Shut the fuck your mouth.
Fuck my mouth yourself, coward.
I said shut the fuck your mouth. I didn't say fuck your mouth.
No.
And okay, so he has the spikes and like he's a spider, so like we're gonna use this reference image of a spider. Yeah, just like that. Make sure. Okay, and then also because like he has like a little, and like in some images he's shown with like a little piggy friend. We're gonna give him his little piggy friend. There, it's loading.
Oh, nice.
There's his pig. There's his pig.
Like,
Okay, now, okay. Fucking, please, stop. Work, please, okay.
what are you using? Are you using Photoshop?
I'm not supposed to, you can't just say what program I'm using. I have to get the commentators
No,
going.
because it changes how...
I have to...
Let me calm down before I start raising my voice again.
It's
because, depending on what you're using, it'll alter how the images actually work. For example, you can't draw on those layers without, I think it's rasterizing them.
Shut the fuck up, I'm doing drawing. I'm trying to make art here, okay? And now that you have all your references, you want to start with fucking, just like doing
more layers than you'll ever need.
Then your base, so like you draw Angel Dust and he has like follow the spikes.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. He has his eyes right there. And like you gotta get his grin in, and he has sawtooth. Now remember he has 4 arms, and you can do whatever you want with those arms. You want.
As long as they're doing something monetizable.
Even though he is a very demonetizable character. Alright, get the fluff.
Baby Pop has other forms of income. You rely on YouTube.
I don't even get money from YouTube.
If you believe in yourself hard enough, you'll get money from YouTube.
Alright, let's get this sexy spider stripper.
And you've been demonetized.
I had to explain to my mom that, like, no, it's not weird, Mom. It's not what you think. He's a guy. It's a guy. And then she went like, oh, and I mean like, no, not like that, Mom, please.
No, wait, please, I can explain.
Alright. And then he's got like hip boots, like very big boots. Oh, we gotta like make our layer a bit bigger to fit it all. It's loading. There we go. Hazbin.
Oh yeah, Yosa.
Oh god, it's loading. It's loading.
This is
all part of the process, people. All part of the process. Fuck me.
Okay.
Oh god, I forgot you're gay.
Holy. Okay. First of all, it's bi. Second of all.
I'll put a cigarette because, like, that's like a little detail. You can put in whatever you want. This one, he's gonna have a gun in this hand.
Shouldn't you hide the other layers so that way you could see what you're drawing better?
I can see what I'm drawing just fine, thank you very much. And this one, he's gonna be giving the finger.
Are you sure?
I know what I am doing. And then he's got this cool thing where he's got like bichromatic eyes, except one. What's the thing called again? We were just watching Mike and Melissa, and you got really mad about the thing.
Oh, how people overhype the attractiveness of heterochromia?
Yeah, that's what he's got. He's got heterochromia, except it's like, it's his whole eye, not just the pupil. And now we add just like the line work on it.
I think you're gonna give me a fucking stroke.
Shut the fuck up. And then... Okay, and then yeah, just like that. It's looking great, guys. And you know what? If yours doesn't look exactly like mine, that's okay, because everyone has their own style. This is just a very simple tutorial on how to draw angel dust. And then...
Is this Kanye West music they're playing now?
Yo, Kanye! Yo, the Divorce album. Is it gonna go hard or is it gonna be sad?
Yes. Sad beats? Sad beats kind of slow sometimes.
Yeah. Alright, and then like...
Hell yeah, centrifugal force.
Yeah, okay, and now that you got your outline, now that you got like your main line... Alright, now that you got your main line, you're gonna want to just erase your sketch line and just see where it goes in. Oh. I drew the main line and the sketch line on the same layer. God fucking damn it! And that's how you draw angel dust, ladies and gentlemen. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ask what other tutorials you want to do.
Don't you comment what other tutorials you want to do?
Well, listen, man. I'm the one in charge here. It's my YouTube channel. I'll say what I want to say.
Your YouTube channel, and you're also in charge of providing entertainment for, I believe it's 10 people now?
22 subscribers
and
now.
I guess
are you not entertained? You 22 people out there, even though it's like 3 of you that actually watch my videos, are you not entertained?
Probably not. I wouldn't blame you.
Shut the fuck up!
No.